Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the target file directly with Vim file name. This puts you into normal mode where commands work. Once inside, press ESC to guarantee normal mode, then navigate with HJKL or search with /pattern. If you must edit a protected file, run sudo vim file name or use E with a path. Now position the cursor where changes begin, because the next step switches modes and will accept your text. Make sure to think in terms of modes, not clicks or menus. You enter insert mode by pressing I, or depending on where you want to type, then type normally. Once done, press ESC to return to normal mode to perform edits efficiently. Use DD to cut a line, P to paste, and CW to change a word. For replacements, use R for single characters or %s/old/new/g for global changes. Use visual modes, VV, Ctrl-V, to select and operate on blocks. These modal actions let you edit fast without leaving Vim. You finish by saving and exiting. Type W to write the file, Q to quit, or WQ to do both. ZZ also saves and exits. If Vim warns about permissions, use W to force or write through sudo by running W, sudo t% and then E to reload. When things go wrong, view error details with Messages and Consult, help followed by the command name. If a swap file appears, recover or remove the swap, only when you're sure no other process edits the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.